Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys in my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys iqoo mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to use iqoo mobile hotspot setting. Friends, you want to use iqoo mobile hotspot setting, you want to set a mobile hotspot in iqoo mobile. So friends, now let's see how to set a mobile hotspot in iqoo mobile one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about. So friends, first of all, open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your iqoo mobile. In your iqoo mobile friends, open your phone network and internet setting. Then friends, click here hotspot setting. Then friends, click here Wi-Fi hotspot setting. First of all, you can on your mobile hotspot you want to on, so you can on, and you want to use, so you can use it. And if you click here hotspot name, so friends, you can check your hotspot device name. You want to rename your hotspot device name, you can rename. Friends, I will name your hotspot iqoo phone. Device name will rename. And if you click here hotspot password, so you can check your Wi-Fi hotspot password, and you want to change your hotspot password, so you can change. Example friends, I will set here 1234000 and OK option. Password will change friends, you can check. You have new hotspot password and you have your new device name. And friends, if you click here one time data limit usage setting, so friends, one time data limit you want to set in your iqoo mobile, so you can set unlimited 50 MB, 100 MB, 200, 500. And friends, if you click here custom 1000 MB, you want to set 1000 MB, so you can set 400, 300, 600 MB you want to set, so you can set. Friends, I will set here only 200 MB. Maximum number of connection plans you want to set, you want to change, so you can change. Maximum number of connection setting you can set, and you can change here. Friends, last option, click here turn off hotspot automatic setting. So friends, if you on this setting, so when no device are connected with your iqoo mobile hotspot, your mobile hotspot will off automatic. So like that friends, you can set up and you can use iqoo mobile hotspot setting. And if you turn off setting, so you can off from here. So like that friends, you can use hotspot setting. And friends, if you click here QR code setting, mobile to mobile, you can scan QR code and you can use internet. And friends, if you turn off your mobile hotspot, so your QR code option will remove. You want to share your mobile data mobile to mobile on your mobile hotspot, then you can share with QR code. Nearby device you can share. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.